Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Noobs. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with VeChain, involving topics such as Testnet for the POA 2.0 will be launched soon, VeChain enables the E-HCert app to go beyond COVID-19 records, and we will also be taking a look at VeChain becomes founding member of the blockchain for trade and connectivity. And to finish off, we'll be taking a look at price analysis, so if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button or share the video for more. Let's see if we can get this video over 250 likes, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, let's jump straight into the video. Just quickly, there is an active giveaway on this channel until the 15th of December. We are currently giving away 2 Nano Ledger S's, we are giving away 1 to the Patreon group, and we are giving away 1 to everyone that wants to be included. If you would like to join, make sure you are simply subscribed to the channel or you have joined the Patreon group. Make sure you comment down below Nano S and leave a like on any of my latest videos up until the 15th of December. I'm going to leave more information about the giveaway in the pinned comment section and the description down below. Before we jump into the latest news, let's take a look at the market. Bitcoin has recovered nicely after having a slight correction, up 3% to 18,885, so it could be back on track to breaking that all-time high by the end of the year. Ethereum to $569, XRP after the flare hype it has gone down 7%, but I do expect it to climb back up very soon. Chainlink holding very nicely at the $12 range, Cardano at 14 cents, Polkadot at $4.76 and Stellar at 15 cents. If we take a look at VeChain's price, VeChain is currently at 1.6 cents. It is down 4% over the last 7 days, but it is up 52% over the last 30 days. It is up 28% over the last 90 days, and it is still up an incredible 180% over the past year. If I show you its chart on the 7-day, as you can see here, quite a lot of the market did end up having the same reaction. We had a good 15 to 20% dip, but now we are starting to wake up again, which is very important. The most important thing about cryptocurrency, which is why it keeps proving people wrong, is the recovery phase. If I show you its chart on the 30-day, as you can see here, we have had 2 or 3 dips over the past month, but again we are still looking very strong. And if I show you its chart on the 12-month, as you can see, VeChain overall is still looking very strong. It is looking like a very good contender for 2021, and there is still more big things to come. I want to know your thoughts down below. Are you bullish or bearish on VeChain going into 2021? But now, let's jump into the first article. And this one says, VeChain, testnet for the POA 2.0 will be launched soon. The VeChain Foundation has announced the soon start of the testnet for the Proof of Authority 2.0. A prototype for the implementation of the Byzantine fault tolerance protocol has been completed. The chief scientist of the VeChain Foundation has made an update on the introduction of the surface consensus algorithm, also known as Proof of Authority. POA 2.0 via his Twitter account, the chief scientist said that he has made some good progress with the core developers on the introduction of Surface. The start date for the testnet for the implementation of POA 2.0 will probably be announced very soon. The VeChain Dev and I have made some good progress on implementing POA 2.0. We will soon launch a new testnet implementing VIP 193, allowing faster TX confirmations. Moreover, I personally finished prototyping VIP 200 that will give us BFT decisions. Introduced as VIP 193, Surface is a consensus algorithm that will be deployed to respond to the growing demand of businesses and applications running on the blockchain VeChain 4. Its goal is to improve the scalability and performance of the network by enabling faster transaction confirmation time. Surface takes the best from blockchains like Ethereum and Bitcoin, which uses the Nakamoto consensus and applies BFT mechanism. In this way, the network operates with dual consensus mechanism ready to work with scenarios with optimal conditions and protected against possible bad actors, DDoS attacks, among other vulnerabilities, guaranteeing the security of the blockchain. Improving VeChain 4 blockchain capabilities. As mentioned above, the chief scientist of VeChain also confirmed that he has completed the prototype for the VIP 200, which allows blocks of the VeChain 4 blockchain to reach BFT decisions. This will be achieved by allowing blocks to carry extra finality related messages. Thus, the nodes will be able to update with their BFT status and achieve finality. So overall, this is a big step forward for VeChain. They have had a very good year, especially in China, and they are now making fast progress across Europe and now America. So overall, VeChain are getting started with what they are doing, and they are getting the big names and the big companies on their side. This is the next piece of news I want to show you, and it says VeChain enables the E-HCert app to go beyond COVID-19 records and onboards another hospital in Cyprus. The pandemic showed the world the value of digital technologies and demonstrated their increasingly vital role in healthcare. During 2020, VeChain alongside iDante collaborated to work on a blockchain-enabled medical solutions, co-developing the E-HCert app, a solution for the pandemic RT-PCR and antibody test records. The solution was implemented at the Mediterranean Hospital of Cyprus and between June to August recorded the test results of more than 8,000 people who subsequently used them as part of the flight arrival process at the International Airport of Cyprus. Driven by proven value in the real-world setting, the E-HCert app is now launching its latest iteration, a digital lab test wallet, offering an ecosystem of blockchain-enabled services, bringing medical test results to the hands of the patients whilst healthcare authorities maintain the integrity of the data. After demonstrating the efficiency in the Mediterranean Hospital of Cyprus, another top-of-the-line private medical facility has joined the VeChain ecosystem and integrated the E-HCert app throughout its lab testing services. E-HCert represents a new category of healthcare record system that combines interoperability, immutability, traceability and compliance. After the patient takes a lab test, results will be automatically uploaded to the E-HCert application and the VeChain 4 public blockchain. Built on the VeChain 4 blockchain, E-HCert wallet can securely access using private credentials given to the patient after a registration process in the hospital. Once complete, the data is always accessible to its owner, available for use to prove his or her health status as required. And as you can see here, here's a diagram of what would happen. Patient goes to the lab of the hospital. Number 2, the lab doctor takes from the patient the lab test sample. Number 3, the doctors of the lab complete the analysis. Number 4, the prescribing doctor receives the results. Number 5, the patient receives a notification that the results are available in the E-HCert app. Number 6, the patient can check the results anytime, anywhere. Number 7, the patient can share his or her lab test results with any other doctor. Number 8, who can then analyse the results. And if I show you this here, this is basically what the app will end up looking like. It is a big game changer in my opinion. It will make things a lot easier for a lot of people and it will make things safer. I personally think if they can get their foot in the door in healthcare, they could become a multi-trillion-dollar company. If VeChain can help in the slightest and get their foot into healthcare, then there is so much money to be made. That could end up pushing their price higher than we possibly think. I want to know your thoughts down below. What do you personally think of VeChain getting into healthcare? Now, this is the last piece of news I want to show you before we take a look at a quick little price analysis, and this one says VeChain becomes founding member of the Blockchain for Trade and Connectivity (BTC) network. VeChain is a founding member of the Blockchain for Trade and Connectivity (BTC) network. The initiative aims to promote the interoperability between companies and blockchain technology. And it says down here, a few days ago, Enterprise Singapore (ESG) and the Singapore University of Social Sciences (SUSS) announced the launch of a Blockchain for Trade and Connectivity (BTC) network on the first day of the Singapore Week for Innovation and Technology (SWITCH). The founding members include Global E-Trade Services (GETS), China's blockchain-based service network (BSN), and VeChain. And the VeChain Foundation tweeted that Enterprise Singapore and Singapore University of Social Sciences has launched a Blockchain for Trade and Connectivity network. VeChain is a founding member of the Regional Supply Chain Initiative and the joint MOU was stored on the VET blockchain. The letter of intent was scanned and uploaded as a document symbolically on the VeChain 4 blockchain to demonstrate the immutability and transparency on the blockchain. The initiative aims to increase and promote interoperability between the blockchain technology, IoT and companies worldwide. The BTC network allows for innovation and testbedding of blockchain solutions with multimodal global supply chain companies, digital trading platforms and technology specialists. It will focus on enhancing interoperability between blockchains by integrating mesh networks to streamline connectivity between existing systems or platforms. So overall, it has been a very good week of news for VeChain. They are growing at a very fast pace. The price is staying very stable at the prices that it's at now. We are waiting for a breakout to happen. It's just a case of when. I personally think what will happen up until the end of the year, we will wait for Bitcoin to break its all-time high. Once that does happen, the altcoins might not get going straight away. It could end up happening mid-January or February, but I personally think 2021 is going to be the year for altcoins. Cryptocurrency over the last year, over the past few years in fact, but this year in particular, has grown at an unbelievable pace to the point where adoption is coming sooner than we think. And all I know is that it's very, very exciting times to be in this crypto space. To finish off today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a quick little price analysis, and this one says VeChain on the 1 hour time frame, there was a bullish divergence between the price and the OBV. The price formed a lower low while the OBV formed a higher low. VET has since ascended past the 15 cents level, while the OBV continued to register higher lows over the past 24 hours. While the trading volume was low in the recent trading sessions, the interest from buyers showed that VET was likely to defend the levels of support from the bears. The MADC formed a bullish crossover and also climbed above zero to highlight the bullish strength for the past few hours. And if I show you this chart here, this is what VeChain has done this year. As you can see here, we ended up topping at 2.2 cents, and we're not actually that far away from it. As you can see here as well, in March time, we ended up getting hit very hard, which 90% of the market ended up getting hit that hard as well, but there were some incredible buying opportunities. Bitcoin was $4,000 during that period, and obviously then the rest of the market followed. But now the market is recovering very nicely. We've had some very nice pumps since then, and as you can see here, if I show you short term, these are the targets for us, I think, in my opinion. And if I show you this here, in my opinion, for us to be in a bullish direction, we would have to hit above the levels of 1.8 cents, and if we hit above that, then we can aim towards the all-time high of 2.2 cents and higher. At the moment, we are in a neutral position in my opinion, but I think for us to be in a very bearish scenario, we would have to be below levels of 1.1 cents or 1 cent, and then maybe resistance levels of 1.2 cents, because if we hit levels that low, we'd be at the same prices we were at in June and May time. But I know overall I'm very bullish on VeChain and VeChain's future, but I want to know your thoughts down below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have here the official Crypto Noobs Patreon. We have 2 memberships at the moment. We have the Little Supporter membership, where you can support me making more videos for you guys, and you'll be entered into monthly giveaways. We also have here the Diamond membership, where if you need any help at all with your cryptocurrency, whether you're new, just getting started, or you're struggling, I can help you to the best of my ability that you need, as well as 24/7 support and a personal thank you on my YouTube channel. Our aim is to try and build one of the strongest crypto communities out there. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link in the description and in the pinned comments down below. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is absolutely everything I've got for you in today's video. If you have enjoyed anything I've brought to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. Let's see if we can smash this video over 250 likes, and I also want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. With that, I've been Crypto Noobs. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you on my next video. Peace.